step to hiding apps on iPhone without jailbreaking and third-party apps. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways to hide apps on your iPhone without jailbreaking. If you are looking for a different method to keep your phone organized and secure, then this video is for you. So let's get started. Step 1. Enable restriction. The first step to hiding apps on your iPhone is to enable restriction. Go to Settings, Screen Time, turn on Screen Time, click This is my iPhone, Content and Privacy Restriction. Turn on the toggle for Content and Privacy Restriction. And then set a passcode. This will prevent anyone from accessing your hidden apps without your permission. Then click the Apps menu. There are a list for X restriction from 4 above until 17 above. But before that, please choose the application that you want to hide. In this case, I will choose WhatsApp application. For knowing the X restriction for opening the WhatsApp apps, please check on the App Store. Open the App Store and look at the description. On this, we can see that X restriction for WhatsApp is above 12 years old. So, to hide the WhatsApp application, we pick the 9 plus. So, the application that will appear on the home screen is only for the age restriction above 9. Even we try on the searching bar, we cannot find the hiding application.